So, what exactly is diffidence? Simply put, diffidence is a lack of confidence. It's that feeling when you're not quite sure of yourself, especially in social situations. When you're hesitant to speak up or take action because you're worried about what others might think of you. Diffidence is like having that persistent little voice in your head that constantly makes you second guess your abilities. It can make you hold back even when you've got something really valuable to say. Now, let's get on to the grammar side of things. Diffidence is the noun. The adjective is diffident, and if you want to really get fancy with it, you can use the adverb diffidently. Synonyms for diffident include words like timid, reticent, modest, and bashful. Let's have some examples here. Her diffidence in meetings often prevented her from sharing valuable ideas. The speaker's diffidence was apparent as he seldom made eye contact with the audience. Overcoming his natural diffidence took years of practice in public speaking. Despite being a skilled musician, he was diffident about performing solo. Notice, diffident is the adjective. Her diffident smile did little to hide her nervousness. He gave a diffident nod, clearly unsure of his answer. She was too diffident to assert her opinions in the debate. So, next time you feel hesitation creeping in, remember it's just diffidence trying to hold you back. Push through and don't let it stop you from sharing your ideas and talent with the world.
OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die.